Is there a good time to give video feedback or just other kinds of feedback? I actually do love video feedback. Sometimes the reality is, though, that we do it by when we have availability. It's not always a perfect science as far as that goes. What I would say is immediately after is not a great time to ever give a tremendous amount of feedback. The biggest reason why is because we're always emotional, whether we're on emotional high or an emotional low after a big win, or a big loss. It's tough to process information immediately. So it's always basically good to sleep on whatever you just experienced, and then the next day you have a little bit better mind able to process. But the other thing that I say about feedback video in particular is athletes tell me all the time how much they can't stand it because they know that the next day they're going to get called out for, you missed this assignment, you missed that assignment. And so is it relevant to show them so that they can see what they missed? Absolutely. Nothing wrong with that. Even though it might be difficult, it is what it is. Saying that, I always say, but also find a time when they did it correctly. What I would say is not so much when we give the feedback, but how we give the feedback is the best. Because at the end of the day, the last vision that they should have is them doing it successfully. It's much more important for them to see what you wanted rather than what you didn't want. Because if in their mind they still have the vision of the mistake, that's kind of what they're going to take out onto the field or out onto the court.